In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Microsoft Copilot. If you want to get Microsoft Copilot onto your Windows computer, the process is very simple and should only take a few minutes. I'm going to walk you through it clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. To begin, press the Windows key on your keyboard. This will open the Start menu and let you quickly search for apps on your computer. If you're using a laptop or a desktop keyboard, the Windows key usually has the Windows logo on it and is often located near the bottom left area of the keyboard. Once the Start menu is open, go to the search bar and type Microsoft Store. This is the official app store for Windows, and it's where you can safely download and install Microsoft applications. When you see Microsoft Store appear in the search results, open it. After that, give it a moment to load completely. Depending on your internet connection and your computer's speed, this may take a few seconds. It's a good idea to wait until everything on the screen has fully appeared before moving to the next step, so the store responds smoothly. When Microsoft Store is ready, click on its search bar and type Microsoft Copilot. Make sure you spell it correctly so the right app shows up in the results. This search will help you find the official Copilot app directly inside the store. Next, click on Microsoft Copilot from the search results. Before installing, take a quick look to confirm you've selected the correct app. Using the official listing from Microsoft is the best way to make sure you're installing the right version. Once you're on the app page, click Install. Windows will begin downloading and installing Microsoft Copilot automatically. You may need to wait a little while for the installation to finish, especially if your internet connection is slow. During this time, avoid closing the Microsoft Store so the process can complete without interruption. And that's it. After the installation is done, Microsoft Copilot should be available on your computer and ready to open. If you don't see it immediately, you can usually find it by pressing the Windows key again and searching for Microsoft Copilot. That's the full process for installing Microsoft Copilot on Windows. Follow these steps carefully, and you should have it up and running in just a few minutes.